Hello guys, this is Christoph Kemper from Germany. Welcome to the NAMM show in Los Angeles. It's Saturday and we have some 2 or 3 news for you. So the first thing is our new cabinet. We call it the Kemper cabinet with K. And it contains a broadband speaker from Celestion, specially made for us. And this speaker can be used either as a full range speaker or as a guitar cabinet, and it's all driven by the profiler's intelligence. So the speaker doesn't need intelligence, can be passive, and we will even provide the speaker as a replacement part for your 2x12 or 4x12 cabinet. And also we have plans later to have our cabinet with a built-in power amp that is an active cab. And now we'll pass over to Georg, who will show you our new editor.
Hello, I'm Georg. I'm a software engineer at Kemper, and today I can show you our new upcoming editor for the Profiler. Here we see a new version of our rig manager software where the editor is integrated. You can see it in the lower part of the screen. And when you double-click on a rig, the rig will be automatically loaded in the editor. And I can give you a short overview about how it works. So in this row, we have the signal flow from left to right, from input to output. Here the 4 stomp effect slots, followed by the stack section and the 4 stereo effect slots, exactly like it's here in the hardware. And I can show when I'm moving the knobs. You can look at the hardware too. I can control them with the software. Of course, the other direction is also possible. To load different stomp effects, there are several ways. You can open the menu, choose whatever you like. Or over here, we have a new section in the rig manager software where we have presets for the stomp effects. And you can just drag and drop them to load them just this way, and they will be automatically synchronized to the hardware. Another thing I can show you is the morphing features. I think most of you know it, but with the help of the editor, you get a much clearer overview about what's going on. When I press the Option key and move the knobs, you are defining the morphing range. And you clearly see the start and end point of that range you can control with your expression pedal. So by moving this pedal, I can control the knob, and not just for one parameter, I can take whatever I like. I can adjust the range afterwards, the start point, also the end point, and now when I'm moving the expression pedal, I can control all of them. These are the main things I can show you for today, but there's also another thing. For example, if we take this effect, you can see that the user interface automatically adapts to what you are doing. So when you choose a different pedal mode, the new parameters appear that belong to this mode.
Right.
Or when you have a delay effect and you want to synchronize it to the song tempo, you got these selection boxes for entering the discrete values. When you want to set up the continuous parameters, just press this button and the controls change to mobs to set up the continuous values as well. Yeah, so that's the current state of the editor. We are currently working on it. We know you are waiting for it for a long time and we want to release it as soon as possible. Currently, we are thinking about summer this year.
Excellent, many thanks.
Okay.
So we are showing a bunch of new effects here on the NAMM show in Anaheim this year. We have just last week released a bunch of new reverb effects, five reverb effects, and we are showing even 2 effects more here in Anaheim. We have 2, you could call it esoteric reverbs that we are showing here. One is called ionosphere reverb, the other one is calling formant reverb. Then we have 2 other effects. One is an auto swell effect where you can raise your guitar volume level like you would do with a volume pedal, and you have another parameter in that effect, compression, so that you can control the sustain of the signal afterwards. And plus an acoustic guitar simulation that we show here. So that's the bunch of effects that we show here at the NAMM show. And then we have innovated the way how we present effects to the user in the user interface of the profiler. And I can show you on the display here. We have now one display that comes up whenever you either crank the type or the browse knob if you are in an effect module. And this page comes up, which has now 3 columns, and that's really new. The first column shows the effect categories. So this is on a very high level. As you see, we have chorus effects, phaser effects, flanger, pitch shifter, delay, and so on. So high level, you can select in bigger steps. Then you have the list of types, like it was in the past, but now again, on this integrated page, you can use the type knob or the second soft knob here to select one of the effect types which are built in the software. In the third column, you find the presets now. Here you use the browse knob, or you can also alternatively use soft knob 4 to select one of the effect presets that has been delivered with the profiler, or the one that you created. You might know that presets are something that you can store and maintain as you like.
All right, guys, that was the news. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.